Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. Remember yesterday breakfast that I made, and I said I was probably gonna do some eggs, but I am gonna add the ham that I use and the spinach. I'm saute everything. See how they look. I said I was gonna come back, and I did cook some bacon. And that's fine. So I don't want to overcook my eggs. Now I'm gonna put a slice of cheese on my eggs. Okay, I put the cheese on top of it. Show you my bacon. Thornton Fire says everyone was able to evacuate and 2 dogs were saved from the home, but the house will not be livable again for quite some time.
Well, turning to some new information this afternoon, Wheat Ridge police are using some high-technology forensic sculpting to try to identify the remains of a person found. He was likely between 45 and 75 years old and died sometime between 2021 and 2023. They used forensic evidence to create this that you see on your screens.
And this is the bacon. Could be massive, but it's too early to tell. Yes. Boy, bacon look really crispy. I don't like my bacon burnt. No. Because you want to leave, you want to look like this, kind of. Yeah.
And it starts with a new school finance formula that will now be implemented over 7 years instead of 6. The new funding formula sets the total funding for schools to more than $10 billion. That's an increase of about $410.
All right, so now I put my sandwich together. Already. Yes, this definitely gonna be a short video. If you want to see what kind of ham that I use and it's kind of spinny, just go back and look at the yesterday video for breakfast. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so this is my croissant. Now put it together. Okay, put my ham on the bottom. That could increase conflicts between people and bears. CPW says any and all food use. Okay, put my 2 slices of bacon. Executing strategies with tools designed to make trading more intuitive. Okay, then I put my spinach and egg and cheese on top. And that is my croissant breakfast sandwich. Okay. That's how I look. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, share what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Alrighty. And again, if you want to see what kind of spinach and ham, I cook with my croissant, ham, bacon, egg, and cheese, and spinach. Just watch the video that I upload yesterday. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Enjoy and you guys have a happy weekend and a happy Easter Sunday. Alrighty. Ta-ta. And try this. When you guys get out of church or you go early, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock and stuff, this is a good idea, to have for breakfast, Easter breakfast. this is a really good idea. Alrighty, until then, I'll see you guys in the next little video. Bye bye.
Where there is something combustible that could be ignited by an airborne ember, or ways that they can reduce the risk of a fire running along the ground. Fire officials say people under a red flag warning should avoid outdoor burning, which could spark a flame. In Atlanta, Jonathan.
Okay, you guys, we got to show you guys how the top look. My bad. I just close it up. That looked delicious, I guarantee. Oops, sorry about that.
50s up to our north. 59 in Fort Collins, Briggsdale is at 55. This cooler air is heading our way. Notice how up in Cheyenne it's 36 degrees right now. Meanwhile, still 71 degrees here in the city, and out over parts of the plains along I-70 still in the 80s. High country also starting to cool off. We notice those wind speeds. These are sustained wind speeds, generally between about 20 and 30 miles per hour. A little bit gustier here in the metro at 35, and a few other locations with sustained winds at 40 miles per hour. So that front, pretty strong.
Guys, the first clip that I'm gonna show you guys, my breakfast yesterday, same method, and this one is just the leftover, my croissant breakfast, the forest ham, the bacon I did, cheese, and the uh, baby spinach. Okay, this right here is just really, this last clip is same method on my croissant, ham, bacon, cheese, and egg, and baby spinach. So this is on Friday. Happy Friday, you guys. So this is the today on Good Friday. Okay. Yes, May the 18th, 2025. So this is my morning breakfast. On Good Friday. Why do I keep saying that? But anyway, I wish you guys a happy Easter Sunday this weekend. Be safe and always put God first. But yeah, I already got my eggs cooked, and I'm just kind of gonna, because it don't really take long for the spinach. See my egg? See the egg? And I'm gonna put it on my croissant. See? See it? Yes, that's how it looks. So I just want to come back to show you guys. So when you see the first clip of my croissant breakfast, I had that yesterday. I did not post it, and then this last clip is today's breakfast. Okay, on my breakfast on Good Friday. Okay, I know I keep repeating myself on Good Friday, Good Friday, Good Friday. Okay, so I just want to show you guys this. Okay, and it's easy. Yes. So what I'm doing, you guys, I'm just sweating the baby spinach and heating up the ham and bacon. And then I put on my croissant. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, Thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. So, you guys will see how, normal I put on my croissant. I'm not gonna do that now because you will see in the first clip, when I cooked the breakfast yesterday. Okay, so I just want to show you guys how it looked when I cooked it, yesterday, the egg and everything. Okay, so I hope this breakfast inspires you guys, and I hope you guys make it. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, you guys have a blessed Easter Sunday this weekend. And may God be with you and keep you safe and just put God first. Always put God first. All right. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, this is how it look inside. I just want to come back to show you guys that. That's it. That's how it look inside with every topping.
We're getting a little bit of a winter wonderland right now. This is a live look up at Lookout Mountain. You can see some of that fresh powder there on the ground. It's fairly wet and heavy snow given the fact that our temperatures are really close to the freezing mark. In fact, we actually just warmed up at DIA up to 34 degrees now. Boulder sitting at 32. Fort Morgan